today I'm going to share a makeup tutorial which is going to be super simple and beginner friendly. So I have already prepped my skin. Starting off with the Smudge Illuminati base primer. This primer not only hydrates the skin but it also gives a beautiful glow. It smooths out the texture and keep the makeup in place all day. So now I'm using this color corrector from Inside Cosmetics. I'm using this orange color corrector and applying around my mouth and on my eyes and little bit on the areas where I have dark spots. So basically orange color corrector is applied on pigmentation, dark spots and dark circles. So now I'm using this shade which is exact my skin tone. So I'm going to apply this wherever I have applied the orange corrector. And now using a damp beauty sponge to blend it all. So now for the foundation I'm going with this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. So ये एक light to medium coverage foundation है which is great for office and everyday use. So now that I've applied foundation all over my face, now I'm using this damp beauty sponge to blend the foundation very nicely. So now I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty in the brightening shade and I'm just applying under my eyes, around my mouth and on the center of my forehead just to brighten up this area, and I'm going to quickly blend it all together with a damp beauty sponge. Next I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Inside Cosmetics. I'm applying it on my cheeks and little bit on my nose for that sun-kissed effect. The blush is so creamy that you can blend easily with your fingers. So next for setting the base, I'm going with this Mars 2-in-1 compact powder, applying all over my face so that my makeup lasts all day. And for defining my eyebrows, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. I'm just filling it and then brushing so that it looks more natural. For eye makeup, I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm using this shade and blending all over my eyelid, and then I'm using a shimmer shade from the same palette and applying on the center of my eyelid. So now my eye makeup is complete, and now for eyeliner I'm using the Lakme liquid liner. I'm just applying a very thin line on both of my eyes like this. For lips, firstly I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade cherry brown. I'm just simply lining, and for lipstick I'm using this Mars Muse matte lipstick. It's my current favorite lipstick because it's so soft and comfortable to wear. Lastly, I'm applying this mascara from Mars Cosmetic. It gives a great length and volume to my lashes. And yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.